Zolani Gwala still unconscious and battling with colon cancer. He can open his eyes now. Radio personality Zolani Gwala has been off-air due to some health challenges 3 weeks after 702 announced that talk show host Zolani Gwala would be off-air for several weeks to allow him space to deal with a serious medical challenge. The star has revealed that he has colon cancer. Speaking on the radio station on Friday, Zolani updated listeners on his condition, revealing that the cancer was at an advanced stage. "I'm living with something big. I found out that I have colon cancer which was advanced," Zolani told fellow 702 presenter Stephen Groots. His oncologist Dr. Amandi Ogdi said Zolani's cancer had spread to his liver. Zolani, who has already had his first operation, and will start chemotherapy next week. "It's going to be a long fight but a fight that I'm ready for," he added. Zolani said he found out about the cancer after suffering from a fever earlier this year. "This was so sudden. In April I was running the London Marathon. Suddenly you have a fever, you go to the doctor and you are told you have cancer," he reflected. In a voice note provided to Cheezalive earlier this month, Zolani thanked his fans for the continued support and asked for privacy during this time. "I have asked for a time off from the station, so that I can address this issue and also deal with the treatment when necessary. I will appeal for privacy in your understanding on these matters. Other than that, I certainly will be back as soon as everything is sorted out," he said.